Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to fix error 2. You know the error 2, open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes. This will also apply to if your Roomba stops and says, please expect and clean please remove and clean Roomba's brushes. If you get that error message, this will also be the demo. So, my Roomba is running and it's clicking right now. I'm going to wait until it gives me the error 2 message. It's just clicking. So, after a while, it'll stop and say,
Error 2. Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes.
See, if it gives you that error, then please follow my instructions. So, mine says error 2. Well, we're going to fix that. Turn my have my workbench here.
Error 2. Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes. Error 2. Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes.
I'm going to remove my dustbin.
Error 2. Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes.
Okay, so here's underneath Roomba, and look at this. I can't move them. So this one goes inwards, and this one goes. This one goes inwards, and this one goes. Yeah, see, I can't roll them. They go in together like this. Here, so they roll inwards. They both roll inwards like that. So I'm gonna quickly can't say things today. Sorry about this, folks. I'm gonna quickly show you exactly how to clean the brushes and check for instructions. So I can't roll the brushes, and when it's running, it'll make a clicking noise. So let's have a little look under the brushes here. Now this is probably our problem right here, a piece of styrofoam. 100%. That's probably 100%. What the problem was, a piece of styrofoam was stuck in them. So, if it gives you the error, please remove and clean Roomba's brushes, or error 2. Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes. Definitely clean the brushes. I'll show you exactly how to clean the brushes. I already posted a video on how to do this on YouTube, but I'll just quickly clean the brushes anyway. They're already clean. But here, take the tool, just slide it through the brushes, and make sure the brushes are nice and clean. Because if these brushes are built up with dirt, then that's definitely the problem. Do the same here. Take any tweezers, clean the ends of this brush here. I'll show you exactly how to do that. My brushes are dirty because I ran the Roomba a little bit before. But I don't really clean the big brush because that brush doesn't really get dirty. Just take tweezers and then get in there and just clean the brush. Get in the cracks there. See, that was the problem. This piece of styrofoam got stuck in there. Make sure you don't breathe this when you take the hair out, because you could breathe. It could be sick. Could get sick, so. Alright, so once you get the brushes pretty clean, you can reassemble your Roomba. Remove the hair. Okay, close your brush cage. Empty the dustbin, which I'm going to do right now. So once you got the dirt bin emptied and you got the brushes cleaned, put this over and you can restart your Roomba. I'm going to let it search for its stock because I don't really need it. So that's how to fix the error 2 message. Also, guys, if that still didn't help, definitely look in the gear case or the gearbox. Take it apart, get into the gearbox or the gear case, because dirt in there will cause problems. So definitely take it apart. I'll do a video in the future on how to fix that problem. But yeah, bye.